Hi, I'm Tiffany.
I want to introduce you to the design department. First is Tiffany wearing a brilliant ensemble.
Yeah, it's superhero sock day in the design department. Garbage is my passion. My ring is an old spoon. My earrings are bike parts. TerraCycle is my dream job because I set out on a career path to recycle everything that I could get my hands on.
Tiffany Threadgould.
I'm a designer who takes junk and turns it into something new. I usually focus on making smaller items. I've never done anything on such a massive scale before. I'm making a soft travel bag, kind of like a vintage bowling bag. The upholstery's nice because it already comes pre-quilted. It's really hard to sew through this material.
Tiffany's attention to detail is burning through precious time.
I'm just gonna keep working at it and try to shove it through this machine.
This bag has been so tough. I had no idea that sewing through upholstery from 1947 fabric would be such a challenge.
Wow, this looks great.
That came out really good. I'm really glad we did this.
Yeah. So really, the only thing we're missing on this, a little bit of finishing, but also we need the handle.
Tiffany could make 4 bags out of this salvaged material, earning them an out-of-this-world $8,800. Well saved.
Reusing packaging is a great way to keep it out of the landfill. And if making stuff and drinking wine can be good for the planet, it seems like an awesome way to spend the afternoon. Today, we're gonna make a serving tray out of empty boxes from the Naked Grape. Recycle Across America's standardized labels can increase recycling rates by up to 100%. It's worth doing if you care about the planet. There's absolutely a level of play at TerraCycle. Like, I love my job and I love the team that I work with, and we just have fun and we play with our garbage in a sense.